Hey guys, this is my custom bike check. So, I guess let's get started at the front of the bike. I've got this is just all custom. I got it over a bunch of time. This bike started out as a Haro X3 stock, but obviously when I started BMXing, I didn't know much about it at the time, but whatever, let's get to the bike. We got the ODI long neck grips. And we got the Adkin 1 stock bars, the fit. Then we got the Adkin 3 fork, stock forks. Fit FAF tire, alienation front rim, alienation hub. Stock pegs, just regular old pegs. Haro headset, or stem, not stock, but it's Haro. And we got an Impact FSA full speed ahead headset integrated. We got the Haro X3 stock frame. Painted over it. There used to be a decal here, but I didn't like it, so I painted over it. And then we got the animal pedals, PC pedals. Haro X3 stock cranks. We got the Odyssey Burlington sprocket. The Shadow half-length chain. Stock bottom bracket. We got the Odyssey Nightwolf pivotal seat, torn up a bit, and we got the Animal pivotal seat post. We got the Eastern back tread, Odyssey back rim, and alienation hub. It's kind of a custom rim, but whatever. Yeah. I think that's it. Tell me what you guys think of my bike. I'm out.